Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. First, you need to open your browser, any browser available on your laptop or computer. Once you have your browser open, you need to sign in to Leonardo AI using your credentials. If you are not logged in, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just click on the link and you will be able to access it easily. As you know, we use Leonardo for image generation. I want to demonstrate how beginners can easily create images using Leonardo AI. There are 2 or 3 ways to do this. Before that, you'll see an option on the left side here. After clicking that, a new format will open in front of you. In this prompt, you can type anything you want to generate. I'll show you how to do it. If you come down here to the left side, you'll see the option for how many images you want to generate. For your task, we'll select 2 images, which I think is enough. After selecting the number of images, you can choose the resolutions according to your preference. It's up to you. I'll select retirements here. After that, if you scroll down, you'll find the Upload button here. If you click on the Upload button, a new format will open in front of you. From here, you can select any image you want to generate. Above, you can write any prompt according to your needs. Just I am writing that. After that, you can simply click on the Generate button. Clicking on it will start the generation process. If your internet connection is good, it will take about 20 to 30 seconds for the generation to complete. If your internet connection is not as good, it may take more time and you'll have to wait a bit. The image will be generated. When it's generated, you can see that it has generated images based on the prompt we provided in the same format. If you wish to watch videos related to this topic, you can visit my channel. Go to the playlist on my channel, and you'll find a dedicated playlist for Leonardo AI. It contains everything you need to learn and explore with Leonardo AI. This is the method of using Leonardo AI for beginners. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.